Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, Miss Tasya. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Monita Putri Maresti. You can call me Monita. I'm from Logistic Management and Administration Study Program di Ponegoro University. Honestly, it's really good to be here today and thank you for inviting me for the presentation. Before I start my presentation, I want to ask you something. Have you ever sent item or received item from someone? Do you know how the process takes place? Okay, now I'll tell you. The process takes place in logistic management, starting from planning, data collection, and delivery process. Today, I will tell you about the importance of logistic management. I divided my presentation into 4 points. First, what is logistic management or the definition of logistic management? Second, logistic management function. Third, objective logistic management. And last, tasks of logistic management. Let's move to the first point. Is here anyone knows what is logistic management? Logistic management is an application of management principles in logistic activities with the aim that the movement of personnel and goods can be carried out effectively and efficiently. Okay, let me simplify it. So, logistic management is how you carry out or apply principles in all activities related to logistic management. For example, I apply of the planning principles to carry out logistical activities before doing the next principles. Next, for the second point is about logistic management function. There are 7 points. First, planning and fulfillment function. The tasks of the designer and the determinant of the needs of each organizational program includes product analysis activities, priorities, and priority scales. And second, the budgeting function to ensure that the procurement of goods in accordance with the budget allotted. 3. The procurement function to improvise managing activities with a limited budget. And 4. The function of storage and distribution, the process by which goods have been obtained where they are needed and subsequently distributed to other parties. 5. Maintenance function to store goods that are not easily damaged. And 6. Restore damaged function, repair and replace damaged item. And last 7. The controlling function tries to regulate its management function to run well. Next, the third point is about objective logistic management. There are 2 points. First, the general objective that discuss the goals of an effective and efficient organization. And second, the specific objective that are in line with the objective to match the right quantity and quality, the financial objective to be released, and the last, the security objective to support efficiency and effectiveness in the organization. Next, the last point is about the tasks of logistic management. There are 5 points. The main task of logistic management is to ensure a balance between revenue and cost to generate profits. First, there are several other important tasks, and second, including determining the logistic system is used, 3. Determining the private use of logistic or agents, and 4. Making the logistic organization design, and last, determining the location of warehousing and warehouse operation and activities. That's all I want to say for now on logistic management. To sum up the logistic management, activities that are very important in the planning, data collection or shipping process regarding goods or services. Without logistic management, export and import activities will run less optimally and less effectively. Okay, I think we should learn more about the importance of logistic management so that we understand thoroughly. The points are you having mastered 4 points earlier. Well, I have covered the points that I needed to present today. Thank you so much for your attention and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.